Okay, we start the clock. Hi everybody, my name is Ori. I'm co-founder and CEO of Musestorm. We probably are the first widget platform we launched in June of 2006. It's a long time ago. And our platform is really targeted toward the higher end. We work with agencies, marketers, and brand advertisers who want to fill the campaign across multiple distribution channels. So not only Flash, not only Facebook, it's also iPhone. And we allow them to run a campaign across multiple distribution channels, get very, very detailed analytics across all of those distribution channels, be able to morph an application on the fly, so to gain engagement and to keep engagement up as time goes by. And what I'm going to show you today is how you take one widget, we'll create it quickly, and then morph it across multiple distribution channels, and then take a look at the analytics and see an example. So when you sign up with us, you get an account, and I'm going to go and create a Flash widget first, but you can start with anything. And our studio looks like PowerPoint, behaves like PowerPoint. We don't have any fancy things that you pull and drag. It's very, very simple. It's big. There's no programming that you'll have to do. The only thing you'll have to do is really work like you do in the real world, where you first create the functionality and content, and then a designer or a creative person will come in and design it. So this widget is currently empty. We're going to have a slideshow, video, and an RSS feed. I'm just going to paste them because I don't remember the feeds by heart. And we're going to grab the photos from an XML feed, and I'll explain later what I'm doing. You can obviously play around with everything to get things to look good, but for our initial stuff, and so photos are we're going to get from an XML feed. Video, we're going to have only one video, so I'm just going to input it directly and put in some title here for the video and a thumbnail. And this is how you would pretty much edit the widget, the basic widget that you're creating. Again, right now it's a Flash widget. We're going to grab something off WordPress for our blog, and this is just a blog. And pretty much that's it on the content and functionality side. And I can pull everything from video to audio to slideshow to text to RSS to commenting functionality with all the backend for moderation and abusive language filtering to breaking news alerts that take over the widget. There's really a large variety of functionality that you can add to the widget, including polls. Plus, you can customize the widget and really plug in any custom functionality that your developers create to enhance and extend the platform. So the designer would go in here and they would play around with the skin. You can skin everything. You can really get pixel level control over the whole UI if you'd like to. The bottom line is here's the widget. And once the widget is up and running, I'm going to start morphing it and showing you the analytics. So this is a Flash-based widget, pretty simple. Slideshow is going to load. We have some other stuff. I didn't give the video title, but here's the video, the blog, etc., etc. So that's great, but a lot of people use Facebook, so I'm going to morph it into a Facebook application on the fly. And a second to load. And we support a wide variety of distribution channels. So this is going to be Facebook, but you can see that we really have a lot of stuff. Now on the fly, we're formatting this into a Facebook markup language application. This is no longer a Flash widget. And what you'll see is that you can now extend it with the newsfeed and the friend list and all the functionality right here on the right. It was not available to you beforehand as a Flash widget. There are dedicated Facebook settings that you have to deal with, just like with any other platform. And I'll morph it again from Facebook to an iPhone web app. So let's just call it iPhone, I don't know, whatever, quickly, because I don't have a lot of time. Again, morphing it from Facebook markup language into an iPhone app. And the result is that I'm now removing the functionality that I had on Facebook, but I have some other stuff for iPhone. Let me just preview this for you. Obviously, the emulator doesn't look as good as it does on the iPhone, but it really works, trust me. And so here are the photos. Here's the blog stuff, etc., etc. So basically, you can take one application, morph it into a wide variety of applications, launch them, we serve them for you. And you can use Widgets to do the distribution. This is where they're our best partner. And then you want to take a look at the analytics. By the way, everything is completely dynamic. You can, at any point in time, take a look, go and change anything on the widget, and it'll change all your widgets and applications out there. You get an analytics dashboard. You can look at distribution metrics. We have the usual stuff. But what we're really proud of, we're the only ones who give you real engagement metrics. So in this specific widget, you had about 10 different components, a video, slideshow, stuff like that. You can take a look at what users are really doing. If you have video, you can take a look at exactly how they've been using the video, how many seconds they watch it every video. Hey, you forgot about the countdown. Should I stop now?